First thing I'm going to show you is how to take the handles off, because it just seems like nobody knows how. These handles pull right off. Okay, so something like this, you just pry behind it, comes right off. You have to make sure you put them on with the flat part where it was. So you kind of twist it around until you find where it was and push it back on. This one over here, twist it, unscrews. Okay, so you make sure it's pulled out or pushed in. Okay, now I'm going to unscrew it counterclockwise. That's it. All right, this has threaded, so we're just going to put it back on there. You don't want to cross thread this, so I'm just being very careful because it's plastic. Until it stops. That's it. Okay, that's it. If I pull it out, the washer will go on. Now this dryer, same kind of thing. These over here pull off like that. Well, whatever. Off like that. This one should pry off also. This one's harder to get off. So this one I'll stick something behind. Better off if you have a pry bar. Like a little pry bar like this. Alright? That's how you get that off. It's the same exact thing. Get rid of this dirt here. Alright, so what I'm going to do here, after I unplug it, is I'm going to move the machine out. Okay, so this is a regular driver, like a screwdriver. Let's see, I'm going to take this first one out here. Just come right out. Two of those. Let's see if this tips forward. All right, so that lifts off. That did nothing. However, you can see back there. You can see what's inside there. But that's not what I need. I need the whole thing to go forward now. All right, so let's try 1, 2, 3 and see what happens. Hopefully the whole top will come off now. Number 1. Second one in the middle. Third one over here. All right, is it going to tip forward? Yes, okay. All right, so it was just being held by this clip here. That clip there just kind of went. Okay, so now you can get to all this stuff. So this one's down here. And over here. That's the old one. Let's put the new one in. Come on, get on there. There's that. Get on there, get on there. Okay, so that's it. Now hopefully that's going to work.